Hi, my name is Mike Hauser, and I've been in the security industry for 30 years protecting families, homes, and properties in the Newport Beach and surrounding areas. I have seen everything there is to see about home security. And today, I want to talk to you about easy, fast, and clean installations. After 30 years of providing home security, building trust, and talking with homeowners, just like yourself, one thing is crystal clear. Everyone wants an easy, fast, and clean installation. I get it. You don't want installers in your house for the week running wires down walls and going through your attics and cleaning out your closets and carrying tools all over your house. You want them in and you want them out. Quick, completed, and done right the first time. No return service calls and no time taken off work to fix some silly thing like a low battery or a faulty sensor. With a Hauser security solution, precision, on-time craftsmanship with a non-abrasive installation procedure takes less time to deploy and complete. It is quicker, faster, easier, and cleaner than washing the family dog. And our system doesn't shake. Hauser Security. Yes, it has my name on it, and it is the best security solution that you can have. Go to hausersecurity.com for more info or for how to set up a free consultation with me. Thanks for watching this video.